Welcome to my channel Agriculture Point. Now I discuss about general knowledge about agriculture. First chapter, fundamental agricultural knowledge. In this part we can discuss about the geographical area of India. You see 32,87,260 kilometers square. Only 2.4% of the world surface area of 135.79 million square kilometer. Provide shelter to nearly 16.7% to human and 14% of cattle of the world population. The seven largest country of the world. It's important point. Note down that India's longitude and latitude 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitude 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minute east. And length 3,214 kilometer north to south, and latitudes and breadth is 2,933 kilometers east to west. Okay, it's enough. Another thing is India has the northeast seven sisters. It is two important point. What is seven sisters? The seven states: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and Meghalaya. It's all called seven sisters. And now at Sikkim, total eight states now. It's called also eight sisters. Okay, and this is some more important. You can stop the video and see it. And now something, this is too important. India has first rank in respect to buffaloes, and second in cattle and goats, third in sheep, and fifth in ducks, chickens, and 10th in camel population. About 19 million people work in livestock sector. Livestock sector is too important. And to contribute the livestock fisheries sectors in total GDPs during 2019 was 4.1%. Now it's highly increased day by day in 2021. And this is now I next step. Establishment of various institutions of India. It is too important. Please note down. 1970 Indian Cashew Corporation. 1971 Indian Tea Trade Corporation. 1972 Indian Marine Products Export Development Corporation. 1974 Indian Mica Trade Corporation. 1986 Indian Agricultural Food Processed Products Export Development Corporation. 1998 National Agriculture Technology Project (NATP) World Bank funded, is also a new 1998 Kisan Credit Card Yojana started. First origin of India hybrid Physiogenepa ICPH8, hybrid sunflower BSH1, hybrid cotton H4. It is a first origin of India. And their first origin is in India. Okay. India has two spots of biodiversity for the out of 10 in the world: Western Ghats and Northeastern region. It is too important. Please note down. Contributing of agriculture research to global productivity of growth is Indian 48%. India nearly 8% of total plants, animals of the world. ICAR established the National Research Center for Rapeseed Mustard in Bharatpur in October 1993. Important point. Please note down. Carry out the basic strategies and applied research and rapeseed mustard. Now Directorate of Rapeseed Mustard, All India Coordinated Research Project of Wild Seed, AICPRO. This full form is also too important for any exam. Please highlighted this. Read right on this exercise book. There is some revolution in Indian agriculture related to their names. And what is the sectors? Green Revolution 1966 to 1967. Food grains production, especially white wheat and rice. White revolution, milk production. Yellow revolution, oilseed production. Grey revolution, fertilizer. Blue, fish. Red, wheat or tomato production. Round revolution, potato production. Silver revolution, egg production or poultry. Pink revolution, prawn fish production, golden revolution fruit production of apple, and brown revolution non-conventional energy sources. It's too important. Green revolution. The green revolution was first used by the former USAID United States Academy of International Development Director William S. Gould, appointed Executive Vice President of IFC October 1, 1969, and it is Green Revolution mainly in India, developed by M.S. Swaminathan. Important. There is no information, but you can write. Black Revolution, biodiesel production for the self-sufficiency in petroleum and mineral oil, and food chain mandate to double advantage of income of the Indian farmers by 2010. Indian news revolution of second green revolution capitalized by the grain provides the green white and revolution. Green and white revolution. This is too important. The father of Indian, now some important in Indian aspects. The father of Indian green revolution is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Okay, who is the ex-DG of ICAR. Observed the revolution in 1966 to 1967, continued to 1976 to 1977, wheat and rice. There is another Nobel Prize in 1970 for Green Revolution awarded in US scientist, Nobel lecturer, Nobel laureate Dr. Annie Bowlang, Norman Ernest Bowlang. It is the full form of full name of his, and only Nobel laureate agri in the world. This is too important. 12 September 2009, and yes, 25 years age. And this is too important. Green Revolution awarded a Nobel laureate Dr. Annie Bowlang. You can also highlight this. And this is White Revolution. Then White Revolution is what? About the milk production high. White Revolution. White Revolution operational food through in September 1970 to 1981. Step 2 is 1981 to 1985 and 1985 to 1996. Father of White Revolution is Vijay C. Kurin, the first director of chairman NDDB. Anand Gujarat Padma Vibhushan is awarded by different awards: Padma Vibhushan, Magasai Award, and World Food Prize Award. Nice. And more some information here about the White Revolution, and then something about another topic is Agmark. According to the Agriculture Production Act, Agmark is used to national mark express the quality of purity of agriculture animal products. This is too important, and you can also rewrite and can highlight with some colors. A new scheme, NAIS, National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, has been started in 1990, 1999 to 2000 in place of CCIS, Comprehensive Crop Insurance Scheme, in for Rabi crops. Okay. Indian population census 2011 is 121 crores. It is annual growth rate about 1.76%. It's high, too high. High population, so you need to food and you grow the agriculture. And also, green revolution is important, but nowadays this is high use of fertilizer. You can destroy your land. In India, the NPK nutrients being used in agriculture in the year 2009-2010 in 4 is to 3 is to 2 is 2 is to 1, and against the ideal ratio of 4 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, and it was the 9.5 is to 3 is to 1 in decontrolled on fertilizer in the 1990 to 1993. It is too important in any agricultural topic. See the Seed Act and modified in 1996 and modified in 2004. It's important. Animal husbandry and dairying sector It is the world 16.5% cattle, 56.5% buffalo, 70.7% goat, 5.5% of sheep, and 2.7% poultry. It's important. You can note it. And some and these also are good. Also are good point. You can see it. Not too important. Now the most important some symptom and causes. Here is the table. You can stop your video and can get screenshot and you can write or remember all these things like anola, tannic, gallic acid, elogic acid, polyphenol, RB, calcium oxalate, badam, amyladine, bale, marmelosin, bitter gourd, marmeladicoside, chili, capsicum also. You can remember all these things. India rank in world agri production of in agriculture sector. This is too important point. You can please remember all this point. First in buffalo production, tea, jute, mango, banana, cashew in 40% of world export. It is too important. Hybrid cotton, sesame, teal, you know, and irrigated areas 21.5%. Irrigated efficiency, milk, pulse area, coconut, spice, ginger, turmeric, and 65% and 76% of ginger and turmeric respectively are supplied by India. Cauliflower, mica, total pulse and milk production. Second in arable lands, 11.8% arable lands in USA and in India. Wow, it's not good news. Okay, fruits, vegetables, 12% after China, and cattle, goats population, sugarcane, tobacco, milk, island fish, and groundnut and onion. In that, India got second position. In total cereals, cotton, potato production in fourth and 10th productivity of rural yield and cabbage seed population rapeseed mustard population production cotton they are in third and fourth fertilizer consumption and tractor use and coarse grained fish rubber they are in fourth in the world and egg production poultry chickens and ducks population fifth in the world and flax camel total meat total area is sixth and seventh, and eighth in coffee production and tenth in camel production. I think this is today's for this is enough, and I will okay I will continue another part. Some disease and some causes of this micronutrients in this disease in agriculture. As this is general knowledge, we can't describe the what is micronutrient or macronutrient. We just read it, and you can note it. Apple fruit cracking is caused by micronutrient is boron and bitter pit in apple, zinc or calcium for with whiter tip copper is caused by copper, raw black and cracking also caused by copper. Anola internal necrosis by boron, citrus, dieback or little tip both by copper, cauliflower, whitetail by molybdenum, browning by molybdenum and buttoning by nitrogen. Grapefruit, hen chicken disorder, also by boron or boric acids. What is this? And maize, white bud by zinc. Mango, little leaf, mango, lychee, cashew, zinc deficiency due to this some deficiency syndromes or disease. Internal necrosis in mango by caused by boron and leaf starch. Excess chlorine ions in water. Excess muriate of potash. Peach leaf drop due to calcium and pea marsh disease due to manganese and pomegranate fruit cracking due to boron and sugar beet heart root due to boron also and some another disease in some cereals and due to what bacteria fungus something we can note that cotton the black arm disease due to the bacteria groundnut tikka disease due to fungus maize charcoal root due to the fungus, Macrophyma phaeolia. Rice, queen of cereals, is the too important. What is rice? You call rice the queen of cereals. But Khaira disease due to zinc. Rice blast, it is a too important disease due to fungus. Leaf of brown due to fungus. Live leaf brown. Palm millet, egoton summer due to fungus. Sugarcane red rot also due to fungus. Sorghum poisoning due to HCN hydrocyanic acid or prussic acid or oxalates. Today I end my class here, and I requested to see the all topics, and if someone needed, mm, get commented in the below. I will give this link of this book. Thank you.